Free tips and tricks to help you with dog ownership. They say all dogs go to heaven, but that can be hard to believe when your pooch is acting out. If you're having trouble with your dog, you may be frustrated, and you may not know where to turn. The suggestions in this video will help you deal with your dog and appreciate its finer points. Hot summer days are harder for dogs to handle than humans. Always make sure your pet has enough water to drink. Provide them with a shaded area to rest if they are going to be outside for any length of time. And, if your dog begins acting in an unusual manner, call the veterinarian. Heat stroke could be fatal, so it is important to get medical care as soon as possible. If your dog has fleas, and they fall off his coat onto your floor, vacuum them up. However, remember that fleas are pretty good escape artists, so you need to throw out the bag immediately after you are finished. To be on the safe side, tape the bag completely shut before you take it out to your trash can. To improve the dog training process, try using hand signals in addition to verbal commands. When you give your dog these kinds of signals, he may learn faster. Try both methods to see which your dog prefers. When choosing a dog, make sure you consider your lifestyle. For example, if you're a jogger, get a type of dog that can run with you, not a toy poodle. If you are more of a homebody, a smaller, less active dog who enjoying being pampered is the better choice. You and your dog will both be happier if you are a perfect match. There are so many amazing aspects of being a dog owner, and you should be able to appreciate all of them. With these suggestions, you'll be equipped to handle any kind of issue that your dog might throw your way. Keep this advice in mind, and enjoy your wonderful pet. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.